Hi everyone, welcome to Rusted Pliers. Today I'm going to be propagating this blueberry bush. This is a blueberry bush that's been very successful. It's my wife's grandmother's blueberry bush that she's had for many years. As you can see, it's producing a ton of blueberries. Really good, nice and tasty. These are so much better than the ones you get from the store. The ones you get from the store have to be picked green, but these are ripe and boy, they taste good. Good and sweet. But I'm going to try to propagate this blueberry bush so that I can have some additional blueberries. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking cuttings from this and then putting them in a pot so that someday I can grow my own blueberries. So what I'm going to be doing for this is I'm be looking for new growth. You don't want to take anything that's woody. So like this is a woody part. I'm not going to take any of that. But if you look around, you can find the places that are flimsy and new growth. So here's a new growth. Here's a little older new growth that's coming out of a woody portion. I think I'm going to pass on that one. But if I look around here, I can see some new flimsy parts that are relatively young. This is middle of June. Ideally, you would do this in or late spring or throughout spring. But I'll cut that piece right there. Take it and put it in water so that it doesn't dry out until I can transport it into my pots. If you can find any shoots off the ground, those are good as well because those are trying to get established. All right, I got my jars of cuttings here, about 30 or so. I'm gonna take them on home and put them in my little pots. Before I leave, I'm gonna have to get a few more of these blueberries. They are just too good. This is the perfect time of year for them. I don't know why the birds don't get after them, but these are perfect. I have about 30 of these blueberry cuttings that I'm going to try to get started. I'm using these little cups that I got off Amazon. They seem like they work pretty well. What I'm doing is I'm putting a little rock in the base of each one. That rock helps the water drain out. Not much, but just enough to help and not get so waterlogged. And I'm gonna fill up the rest with some manure. So blueberries like acidic soil. If I use too much lime and limestone, that'll increase the pH. Just like that. Got my little helper here. You filling up cups?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, now it's time to take these cuttings and put them into the pots. I'm going to transplant them over. So I have one of these cuttings right here. All you want is really 2 to 3 leaves. You don't want any damaged leaves. So like right here, it looks like an insect might have been biting this one. So I'm just going to cut that one off with my fingernail, have a clean cut. I'm going to cut all these that I don't need. So I don't need that one, don't need that one, I don't need that one. And you want to kind of look, I want this to be halfway down my pot. So I'm going to cut it somewhere along right here. So I don't need this one or this one. And where you make your cut for your transplant, you want to do it right underneath the node. So if you can see where that plant had been or where that leaf had been, I'm going to do a cut right there. So I'm going to use this razor blade to do a clean cut. Okay. Discard this end. And this is the end that we'll be transplanting. I'm going to stick it in this rooting compound, this rooting powder. I got this off Amazon. I'll also put the link to this in the description. I'll soak it, dip it one more time down in the water. Stick it down in there. I'll let it sit for a little bit. While that's in there, I'm going to make a small hole with a screwdriver so that I can put my cutting down in there. I don't want to put all this rooting compound in there and shove it down in there and wipe all the rooting compound off. So I just place that right there. That was good. Press down, cover up my hole. And there we go. We have a transplanted cutting. Got done with the cuttings and now I've transplanted them all. So I have 30 blueberry bush cuttings transplanted into little pots. and they look pretty good. So I'm gonna keep them watered. Big thing, keep them moist. Here in the middle of summer, it's already warm and humid, so it shouldn't be too difficult, but I just don't want them to dry out.